World peace. There's a lot of little things that can add up to the big things. All we gotta do is stick together. There's a lot of little kids out there that deserve a future. That can be the next lawyer, the next doctor, the next judge. All we gotta do is give them a chance. I fight for change. This here ain't a racist thing. It's about poverty and power. We need basic change. All it takes is an idea and the rest is history. It starts with unity to end this misery. For little kids like Jacob who don't want to wake up, rather be dead cause they ain't getting fed. It's our jobs as adults to help them instead and mold them and show them that life is a blessing. I learned a valuable lesson that anybody can change with aggression. I salute Jason Russell and the rest in the fight for world peace. That's the message. See, we gotta stop Joe Coney. Every child should live a good life, Joe Coney. And when you live shouldn't mean if you live. And we all gotta help to save the kids. We fight for change. 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 What's the matter with our world today? We fight for change. 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 What's the matter with our world today? We fight for change.